To make things easy, I'm giving away this preset to all of you. Just go into the description, click on the link and download the image and just follow my steps. First, you have to import the downloaded image in Lightroom. Then click on this button and select create preset. Now give this preset a name, anything, and click OK. Now if you want to apply this preset on any other photo, just go on that and click on this button and select user presets, and here it is. Click OK. There you go. If you are having any problem in downloading this image, just write your email in the comment box and I'll send you this preset through mail. If you like this video, please give it a like and I'll see you in my next video.